Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Small Chef 11 and my name is Matthew, and today we're going to be making barbecued ribs for that big game day in less than a week. So I hope you all are excited for it. I am personally, and we need to make some awesome food. And also I have wings that I uploaded about a week ago up here. Check that out as well, and let's get started. Alright guys, so when we do our ribs in our crock pot, we have to take off this membrane here. And you can't really see it when you first take out the package, but all the ribs that you're going to buy at the store will always have it on it. And you have to take this off because it doesn't break down at all. Just have to get your knife underneath there. You don't want to take all the fat away. It's just a little layer of skin. They call it the membrane that has to come off. You try to get your knife down in there. Work it up a little. If it's your first time, it'll take a little bit to get it, but you just got to get the majority off. And then once you do that, put your thumb in there or your finger, and you get the rest of it off, and then you can run your whole hand down through and get the rest off. And see, it's just a really thin layer you have to get off. You cannot skip this step. You have to do it. And there we go. That's all you're left with is just this nasty membrane. You have to get rid of it. So we're going to season this with some sea salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. And we'll just put this on here. Onion powder. And the garlic powder. And then just flip it over to do the other side. Alright guys, after you have seasoned your pork ribs, we gotta get them in the crock pot. But this whole thing is not gonna fit in my crock pot. Don't be afraid to cut it down. My crock pot is not that big, so I have to cut mine. If you have a big one, go right ahead and put the whole thing in. If you don't be afraid, just cut it right in half and throw it right in there. Alright guys, so now I have my crock pot here. Now we just put our ribs in here, but make sure you put barbecue sauce on your ribs. So the barbecue sauce you can use is your favorite barbecue sauce, any kind you want to use. And I like Sweet Baby Ray's. This is the stuff I'm going to be using today for this recipe. So first let's throw in our ribs, the first one. And let's get some barbecue sauce in there. Now that we got barbecue sauce on that one, we're going to throw the other one in. Some barbecue sauce on this one. Alright guys, and I'm going to do a little something as well. I'm going to put a little honey in there just to give it a little more flavor. And this is from Burt BB with Honeybee Made. I'm just going to throw that in there as well. It wasn't a lot of honey, just enough to give it a little flavor, because you don't want the sugars to burn in your pot. Alright guys, so we have our ribs in our crock pot, we have everything in there ready to go, and now you just set it on low, because mine has warm, low, and high. You want it on low. And we're going to let it go for about 6 hours. So this is kind of nice to do, especially if you have errands to run in the middle of the day. It's really nice. You just forget it and come back and it's ready for dinner. So I'll show you what it looks like 6 hours from now. Alright guys, so the pork ribs are ready, and man, would you look at that. They look awesome. And I just want to show you guys how good these are actually done. And guys, I am able just to pull the meat apart. That's what you want right there. And I'm pretty sure I could pull a bone out if I wanted to. And I think I can. Oh my god, look at that guys. I pulled the bone out. That's what you want. Very tender ribs, and again, you just have it in the crock pot with your barbecue sauce. That's all you want. You want something easy. So I hope you guys make this. Alright guys, so that's how you make your barbecued ribs, and they turned out really, really good, really delicious, really moist, and just falling off the bone, which is what you want. And these are going to be great for the big game day, for the Super Bowl, and I hope you guys do it for the Super Bowl. And also, if you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button right there. And also, if you want the recipe, it's in the description below. And you guys have an awesome day.